Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss next topic of chapter number 8 and the name of the chapter is comparing quantities. So today we will discuss how to convert ratios to percent. In the previous sums we had discussed how to convert percentage to ratio and this time we will discuss ratio to percentage. So let's start with the example and the statement is Reena's mother said to make idlis, you must take 2 parts of rice and 1 part of urad dal. What percentage of such mixture would be rice and what percentage would be urad dal? See, here we have ratio. 2 parts of rice and 1 part of dal. Okay, so write part of rice is 2 and part of urad dal is 1. So it means their ratio is 2:1. Okay, so here we have ratio. This is the ratio and we have to convert it into percentage. So here what we have to do, see 2:1. This is a part of rice and this is a part of dal. So how can we find it? See, there is a formula. Now we want to find the percentage. So how will you find? See, 2 of rice, 1 of dal. So total is 3. It means total is 3. So now how can we find it? So now, first of all, we'll find the part, then we'll find the percentage. So part of rice. See, rice is how much? 2 and upon what is total? 3. It means out of 3, 2 parties of rice. So the part of rice is 2/3. How we do it? 2:1 was there. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is the total part. So out of 3, 2 parties of rice. Next, part of dal. So dal is how much? 1 out of 3. So the part of rice is 2/3 and part of dal is 1/3. So next what we have to find? What percentage of such mixture would be? Now we have to find the percentage. So percentage of rice. See, what is the part of rice? 2/3. Now we want to find its percentage. So multiply it with 100. So answer is 200/3%. Next, percentage of dal. What is the part of dal? It's 1/3 into 100. So 100/3%. So just keep one thing in your mind. Whenever we have a ratio, like we have ratio 3:2 and we have to find its part. So how will we do it? See, 3 plus 2 is 5. So its part is 3/5 and its part is 2/5. We have to take the total part in the denominator and same thing is here because 2 parts were of rice and 1 part were of dal. So 2 plus 1 total is 3. So part of rice 2/3 and part of dal 1/3. Now we'll discuss example number 15 and the statement is if rupees 250 is to be divided among Ravi, Raju and Roy so that Ravi gets 2 parts, Raju 3 parts and Roy 5 parts, how much money will each get? What will be its percentage? See, here total amount is rupees 250. Total money is 250 and this 250 is distributed among 3 boys, Ravi, Raju and Roy. So just write their ratios. Ravi, ratio Raju, ratio Roy. What is the ratio? Ravi gets 2 parts, 2. Raju gets 3 parts and Roy gets 5 parts. This is their ratio. 2:3:5. Total amount is 250 and this amount 250 is divided among these 3 boys in this ratio, 2:3:5. So what is the total one? 2 plus 3 plus 5 is your 10. It means 10 is the total, this one. Now what we have to find? First of all, we have to find how much money will each get. Each get means 250 was total amount. Now we have to find how much amount will each boy gets. So let's start. Amount received by each boy. Okay, let's start with Ravi. First of all, we'll write what is the part of Ravi. See, 2 is the part of Ravi, and what is the total? 2 by 10. It means 2 by 10 is of Ravi's part. Now what is the total amount? 250. It means out of 250, 2 by 10 part is of Ravi. Just keep one thing in your mind. Whenever we have total amount and we have to find the part of one boy. So how can we find? First of all, we'll write the part. See, Ravi had 2 out of 10. So 2 by 10 into 250. So we'll solve it. Answer is rupees 50. Okay. Next is what? Raju. What is Raju's share? 3 by 10 into total amount. Like this. So this is rupees 75. Last one is Roy. What is Roy's part? 5 by 10 means total into 250. Just multiply it and it's 125. So these are the amounts received by each boy. Again I am repeating. How can we find the amount received by each one? See, 2 is the part of Ravi out of 10. It means 2 by 10 is the part of Ravi out of 250. So 2 by 10 into 250 is 50. It means out of 250, rupees 50 will be given to Ravi. Now we have to find the percentage. Now we know then how to find the percentage. Ravi's percentage. What is Ravi's part? It's 2 by 10 into 100. Next, what is Raju's part? It's 3 by 10 into 100 because we are finding the percentage. Next is what is Roy's? Roy's is 5 by 10 into 100. So how can we find? This is 20%, 30%, 50%. These are the percentage.